Hey YouTube, we're back. We're going to do a little something different today. We're going to go to a car show. It's local. It's about 5 minutes away. I just found out about it this year. It's not very big. It's a Walloon Lake. So it's mostly a boat show. Old Woodies, Chris Crafts I think, but they have a courtyard in the middle and they have a few hot rods in there. So we're going to see if the old 57 starts today and we're going to head on down there. Pick out a CD. Let's roll.
What's a CD? A what? Huh? Don't forget to subscribe for a 46 Chevy build.
So I'm hoping we find the infamous Lambo. There's a white Lambo driving around. We've seen it.
Countach.
The Countach.
Yeah.
We've seen it like twice now.
Yeah.
In the last couple of years, and that was my favorite when I was a kid. So
yeah.
When we were looking this up online, we saw it in one of the pictures. So
yeah.
Hopefully we'll find it. That's our mission. Well, which way do you want to go, man? You go this way? GTO, yeah. Head up to the water.
I'll make like a YouTube short. I'll make it like a YouTube short format, so we can make a YouTube short out of this.
Okay. Cool. You get to do one too?
Oh yeah.
With your phone? Yeah. Got the LS on it. Did you see that? It's an Edsel, man. Little Wagoneer. Some clean cars here, son.
Rob, how are you, man? Good.
10. See that old Gen 1 Bronco over there, dude? I think all the Woodies are gone. They left. We're a little bit late. But that's... What's that, like 4 GTOs? Anybody knows where all the GTOs are there in northern Michigan? Oh, here we go, dude.
Okay, thank you.
It's only 3 years different than the one we have.
Yeah.
See that he is for sale. 18 grand. Well, considering I put 15 into ours and it's just a frame still, that's not a bad price. This one actually runs and moves. Oh, what is that, E? That's too new for me to know. What is that? A big Ferrari badge on the side. Mustang. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Look at that old girl. Get these ugly ass Ferraris out of the way. Look at her. Let's go over there. Oh yeah. 84. Cool. That's sharp. In high school, I was building one of these with my buddy.
yeah.
And we put a fiberglass body on it, and then he got a girlfriend and sold it. Never saw it again. These are sharp. 70, what's that say, 76? This must be just a club around here, huh? There's kind of limited space. Saw another Chevy truck up front. Want to check it out?
Yep.
I know I was giving that Ferrari shit, but look at them brakes. Look how big that is. I couldn't even afford to change the rotors, man. 66. I missed it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you see what's in there, E? It's a Hellcat, baby. There we go. Now we're talking. Should we watch everybody leave? Maybe we'll see a Mustang spin out instead of Chevelle. He just take that over the curb, did he? Oh, that was uneventful.
Yep.
Alright, there's a couple more, man. This ain't very big. It's about all we can handle, right?
Yeah.
It's nice little. Any idea what this is? A Buick, huh? Look, here. Look at those. Did you see the size of those tires? Here we go. Big block. That looks nice.
I heard it.
Another Chevelle.
There ain't no inheritance in the wind, you know.
Boss 302. There goes that red truck. Uh-oh. Oh, now we got problems. Oh, there goes that 59. 18 grand, anybody want to buy that? There's no way my 57 would make it over that curb. I can barely make it in a driveway. Ooh. Damn, that's sketchy. And then you got that. That kind of sucks for a finale, don't it?
The years don't lie. The years.
Well,
They're not
had enough, dude.
Yeah.
Want to get out of here? All right, that was fun.
Yeah.
Short and sweet. No tri-5s. Yeah, no 5, 6, or 7s. A lot of cool trucks and Chevelles and GTOs. So
Yeah.
yeah, we'll come back next year. That was fun.
No
All right.
Lamborghini though.
I guess send them off.
See ya, citizens.